Hi guys, today we're going to do the lemon head challenge on doo-doo. Oh, and also this little guy here is gonna get a YouTube channel soon.
He's gonna die, I think. He has like weird stool coming out of his mouth.
You mean his nose? There's snot coming out of his nose?
I'm here to watch her.
Poke. Okay.
She's so nervous.
I don't want to try this alone.
Shout out to my boy Vominos, which is known as Thanos Gaming. He's the best gamer ever.
Ow! I dropped the camera. I'm sorry.
Because her reaction, she was like, ah!
Okay.
I was like, oh, Wappa Juice is the best.
Oh no, he's gonna eat my wrappers. That face.
Don't eat wrappers. Okay?
Okay.
He
Okay.
got shook, so he ran
In the
away.
background, not like what's going on over here. Where Nicholas is right now. I mean, what's going on in the back of the camera. Oh no, it's salted. I'm so sorry. Okay, warning. I fricked up badly. Okay, he had a recovery. Okay, didn't have to do that this time.
I'm just here to judge her faces. Are you okay? You just like...
I slammed my head up with the chair. Oh my gosh, it's sour.
This doesn't...
Oh!
Oh, look! It's Fat Cat!
Oh, it's a fat cat window. Fat cat window. Super
You're ruining the nature! Now shut up!
Yeah, there's a fat black cat in my window right now.
Meow!
It's not a black cat, it's a wild cat.
Meow!
That loves to eat everything.
Stop saying meow! It gets in... Bye!
It just goes meow, 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 meow. Oh my gosh, it's how I am.
Owen's looking at you like... He's like... Are you okay?
What?
If you haven't seen my gaming videos, you might never see this one character. Okay. If you guys seen a person on Roblox named SBonnieGamer06, that's us. I would walk up to random people and I would just walk up to them and go, "Do you need help?"
Yeah, but we deleted our account.
There were people dabbing in our line, and I was like,
Actually, no, we didn't delete our account. Roblox deleted our account.
yeah.
Don't play Roblox if you don't want your account deleted.
Some people were dabbing in the line, and I walked up to them and I went, "You need some help."
Unless if you want to make a variety of accounts.
I have a new meme. You need some help.
What the frick is wrong with you?
You need some help.
Nicholas, don't say that right here. That's offensive.
Oh, hey.
I'm just kidding, that's not mean.
Everybody,
My brother didn't know it was offensive.
hurry up. There is no time
Oh.
left. Please.
There is time. Oh my god, the sourness is making me almost like spit, but it's making my voice sound weird.
I'm just making these.
Okay,
Okay, this.
It's so sour. Don't try lemon heads. They make your tongue bleed. What's going on?
I'm trying
right
not to sing, so I'm just. Dude,
Why?
no.
No, not yet. I meant to
Num 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 num.
to the num 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 num. No,
Nub, 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 nub.
not a nub, a noob, not a nub. Also, watch Unspeakable Gaming.
Yeah.
That was so random as hell.
Let me give him a shout out.
Also,
Guys, there is no time left. I've been watching this gamer for like years. Well, not years, but ever since I've been on YouTube. His name is Gleeshy Gaming. Please keep his channel running. He's losing subscribers. Everyone that watches this video, go watch his channel. And Cameron, get your thumb out the way. Everybody that sees this video, please go subscribe.
okay.
He is my favorite gamer. If he goes out of business, then what am I gonna do?
That's what's gonna happen
Hope it
to
doesn't
him,
happen.
not me. Okay.
He's actually made me happy before.
It's
All
sour,
the
sour,
kids at my
sour.
school are so mean. Everybody hates me. I only have 3 friends at school. So he actually took me out of the sadness and stuff and made me say, well, I'm better than them. They can just go somewhere else. Just go.
Like,
Go
boy,
on. When I hit you.
can you
Plastic
please get
ass.
that out of here? Girl,
And please,
please
kids.
get that out of here.
kids.
That's my new
Kids,
phrase.
if you're watching this,
J-I-C.
kids, if you're watching this, do not bully. It's not right.
That's not right. Treat everyone how you want to be treated. And don't treat people like a lemon head, please. Oh, no.
I'll see you later. Go subscribe to Attack on Brony, because that's my YouTube channel name. You can't find it anymore. I'm just gonna delete it. My 15 subscribers.
My face is so dark you can't see it. Okay, that ends for the video. I was being a weirdo. And now the sourness wore off. Never mind.
Upload it.
Please subscribe.